Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix this file does not have an app associated with it for performing this action here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is you need to press Windows and R key together to up and run. Here, please type regedit, then click on OK. So the moment you've clicked on it, your user and control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to open your registry editor. Where here you need to follow a registry path. Okay, just have to post this video so that you can follow by taking a picture or you can take a screenshot of this. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to go with hkey underscore classes underscore root, and there you need to find ink file. And once you're here, just have to proceed to to the center of your screen, and you need to look for this value, which is shortcut.old. Okay, let me just again find this is shortcut that underscore old. So in my case, I don't have such, but in your case, you have, then just have to do a right click here and go with delete. So again, you need to find a value named is shortcut underscore old and you need to delete that. Okay, so I'm just showing you an example. And once you have deleted it, just have to create a new value which is shortcut. In my case, I have it already, but in your case, if you don't have, then proceed by making such. How you can do that here, do a right click, go with new, and go with the word 32-bit value. The moment you've clicked on it, you'd be able to see this. Just have to type for is shortcut and then click on enter. So let me just delete this because I'm just showing you an example. And once you have created this is a shortcut, okay, you need to change the value data into 0, okay, and then click on OK. So once you're done, just have to close all of these file folders. And then you need to close this window and then you need to restart your computer. Okay? So once you have restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.